Today we will test our palm kernel expeller in our factory. The engineers in preparation before commissioning. These are raw materials of palm kernel. There is no much palm trees in China, so it's very hard to get these raw materials. But every time when we update the machines, we will try to get it and make commissioning. This palm kernel become very dry after the long time storage. Before the pressing, it needs to adjust the moisture. The cooker helps to absorb the water better. After the pre-treatment, the palm kernel be put in the expeller. The palm kernel oil begin to come out. These are the palm kernel cakes after pressing.